Welcome back. It's going to be UP Raj Tilak on March 11th, but March 8th is when the last battle is being fought in the 7th phase for 40-odd constituencies in Uttar Pradesh. Purvanchal is where this fight is, and this is the VVIP constituency of the BJP. The Prime Minister's constituency, Varanasi, where he's been campaigning now for the 72 hours, third day, which is where he has made the first stop. Right now at Garhwa Ghat, stronghold of Yadav community, and that's the community he's trying to woo to ensure that the BJP crosses the magic number. But let me go across to Brijesh, my colleague, who's been tracking all the developments there. So Brijesh, he's made the stop at Garhwa Ghat, very crucial for the last day of campaigning. Tell us why.
Well, because this is a Yadav-dominated community, and the fact is that, there's a degree of schism between the Yadavs of the eastern UP and the Yadavs of the Etawah, Saifai, because they believe that, all the progress and all the development which has happened has gone there, and they haven't benefited as much as they should have. And this is an attempt by the BJP to drive a political wedge to make sure that they are able to wean away this slightly dissatisfied Yadav community of the eastern Uttar Pradesh and their vote bank. And if they are able to do that, then their caste calculation will occupy the majority of the pie, and they will be able to romp home very successfully. And this is the reason why this Prime Minister's visit to Garhwa Ghat ashram assumes significance. This is not the first time that a BJP bigwig has come here. In the late 90s, we saw Rajnath Singh, currently Home Minister, and the then State Chief Minister, had the whole national executive here, right here at the Garhwa Ghat ashram. So the BJP is driving whole hog to make sure that there's a complete sweep of the Varanasi region, and it is in this context, this particular visit to Garhwa Ghat ashram should be seen through. And though, officially they all are denying it and saying it is a spiritual visit which is being done by the Prime Minister to meet the current Swami, but this visit coming just 48 hours before the crucial 7th phase of poll, where it goes to polling, is nothing but laced with political overtures.
Absolutely, absolutely. In fact, Brijesh, we've had not only the BJP but even the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi, who was at this ashram earlier as well, has said that this is the ashram which is a stronghold of the Yadav community. And interestingly, Prime Minister starting his visit from Garhwa Ghat with first paying tribute to the cows there, then also meeting the gurus at Garhwa Ghat ashram. The next stop will be Ramnagar, where Lal Bahadur Shastri's home is there, where he will be paying homage as well. But Brijesh, right now, how is the BJP looking at the Purvanchal assembly polls? They are saying that it is also a litmus test post Notbandi if Prime Minister's popularity has ebbed or escalated.
Well, I think, they are not that much concerned about demonetization as much as they are concerned about any potential loss of face, especially in the constituency of Prime Minister. Because, irrespective of how much seat they get, if they lose a couple of assembly constituency in the Prime Minister's parliamentary constituency, then it will be a major loss of face. And this is the one big reason why the Prime Minister has also, went whole hog by doing 2 Rath Yatras, visiting this Garhwa Ghat and holding 3 rallies on 3 consecutive days. So it assumes extremely important political significance. The opposition by this blitzkrieg launched by Prime Minister, the opposition has gone into an offensive mood by saying that BJP, irrespective of what they say, that they have already secured a majority in the first 5 phases or 6 phases. Basically, internally they are extremely nervous, and this is the reason why during on the voting day of the 6th phase as well as the 2 next consecutive days, they were forced to deploy their biggest trump card, which is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who had taken Varanasi by storm by doing 2 big road show, one this visit to Garhwa Ghat and 3 rallies back to back. So this is something which is which is extremely unprecedented, and this in a way also shows the push that BJP says that they have already secured the majority, but by this blitzkrieg by Prime Minister, they will be able to push their tally to the 2/3 majority. And after this, if the performance is not up to the mark, then it's also is, Divina, very symbolic in the sense that, in the last 3 days, Prime Minister has virtually converted this assembly election fight as a fight between SP Congress and BJP to a fight between SP Congress, BSP versus Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Divina? Absolutely, but also tell us about the infighting that one has seen, some sort of ruffled feathers as well, especially when Varanasi South is concerned, because over there, Shyamdev Roy Chaudhary not joining the campaign in spite of the Prime Minister's presence there and finally relenting to it. So is that going to hurt the BJP's chances as well?
Well, you know, I mean, ticket distribution is a very sticky issue as far as the BJP is concerned, and they have not been, you know, there are several people who have not been very happy at the way the whole ticket distribution has been done. The BJP is extremely wary of these kind of, you know, equation which has the potential to harm the prospect of the BJP, and this is the reason why, you know, the Prime Minister, they had to deploy Prime Minister to launch this blitzkrieg. They feel that after Prime Minister's 2 road show visit to Garhwa Ghat Ashram as well as 3 rallies in 3 consecutive days, they will be they will be able to overrun any kind of opposition, whether it is internal as well as external, and the BJP will be able to romp home by clean sweep, you know, sweeping the whole of Varanasi constituency especially.
Absolutely. 3 out of 5 was a tally in 2012. This time at least is the brand Modi which is at work, it seems, Brajesh, but also the carefully crafted strategy means that the Prime Minister did a blitz campaign just before the UP polls and is doing a blitz rally from his constituencies towards the last phase of UP poll as well.
Well, yes, and you know, I mean, and the interesting thing is that, you know, his rally roadshow and rally happened on the 4th of March, which was the polling day of, you know, 6th phase of election, assembly election that also falls in the Purvanchal, and people, and the BJP is hopeful that, you know, that his roadshow as well as, which the BJP is calling Jan Sabha or Jan Show, will be able to, you know, get people or be able to shift people to BJP side, and this is the reason why, you know, for the last 3 days, 4, 5 and 6, which will lead to the last phase of election on 8th of March. We have never seen this carpet bombing by the Prime Minister. You know, he first came to BHU, garlanded the statue of Madan Mohan Malviya, and then went on an open jeep, visited Kashi Vishwanath temple and then Baba Kal Bhairav Mandir, and after that addressed a rally in the evening. So the Prime Minister and the BJP is leaving no stone unturned, and to make sure that the BJP is able to romp home and not only get a comfortable majority, only be able to get a majority, but also a comfortable majority to make sure that they are not subjected to any kind of pulls and pressures of coalition politics if they are not able to reach that magical
So let's divide the Varanasi fight for our viewers as well. Brajesh, as we looking at the Prime Minister making his way to Ramnagar, where you have Lal Bahadur Shastri's home, he would be paying tribute there. Let's divide this. You have the north, Varanasi North, which is dominated with Muslim voters. They have 4 now seems to be rallying behind the Samajwadi Party, Congress combined. You also have the Varanasi South, where we've talked about how there is an internal battle with Shyamdev Roy Chaudhary. Now Neelkanth Tiwari is making his electoral debut as well. And also Varanasi Kant, where the dynasty politics charges there, Saurabh Srivastava taking from his mother Jyotsna Srivastava for the BJP. Well, that's now going across to Garhwa Ghat, where the Prime Minister is present at the moment. He is still at Garhwa Ghat in the ashram, where he has met the gurus of the ashram. He's also paid homage at the ashram and prayed at the ashram. And this is the first stop that the Prime Minister has made in the polling for the 7th phase, which ends today evening. And this is the final pitch effort from the BJP to woo the Yadav community. This particular ashram has been chosen very, very carefully, because this is where it's considered to be a stronghold of the Yadav community. Many leaders have been here in the past, including Rajnath Singh, including Rahul Gandhi. The Prime Minister coming there for his pit stop ahead of his Ramnagar visit and Kushipur rally. This is where it's right near, in Varanasi, it's near the Garhwa Ghat ashram is there, where in just what is called one signal, you have the entire Yadav community which rallies behind the ashram. Right now, Guru Sharnand is meeting the Prime Minister as well. The visuals that we just saw from Garhwa Ghat Ashram, you have the entire outpouring of BJP supporters as well that can be seen in the visuals here. BJP flags being waved, and this is the first stop of the Prime Minister's cavalcade of the third day of the Varanasi campaign in a bid to woo the Yadav combine as well, which will be crucial to swing the Purvanchal phase for the BJP. Interestingly, the Prime Minister was made the first stop and the first time visit at Garhwa Ghat. He's met and he is right now with the Yadav community leader of the ashram as well. This is Guru Sharnand, with whom the Prime Minister met for at least half an hour earlier, and right now he is at the ashram. Let me go across to my colleague Brijesh, who's joining us right now. Brijesh, take us through what's happening with the Prime Minister's first stop for the final campaign.
Well, if you can see the visuals, the Prime Minister has come along with the Mahant of this Garhwa Ghat Ashram, and he is on the way to the dais which has been made for him to address the community as well as community supporters as well as the BJP supporters who have also gathered here to get a chance to listen to the Prime Minister. He is about to enter on the makeshift arrangement which is right inside the Garhwa Ghat Trust Mutt, and he is expected to address the crowd in the next 3-4 minutes maximum. As you can see, the Prime Minister has just entered, and if you can see the visuals, the Prime Minister is there, he is...
All right, he's on the dais, he's set to address the crowd. They have to...